So you know that moment in like all home remodel shows where it's like they rip open the wall and then they find asbestos, or they rip down the subfloor and they find that all the floor joists underneath are destroyed, and it's like, no, what will we do? Will we love it or list it? Or anyways, that's the moment we're at right now. Hey guys, my name's James.
And I'm Ashley.
3 years ago, we sold our house and we've been traveling across the country ever since.
Hi, I'm Goose. I'm Ashley.
Join us! I don't remember where we left off with telling you guys, but basically we found up here in some of our insulation on the ceiling that some of them had pockets of water. We could just like, it felt almost like a sponge that we could push it. So we cut out that section and then we went and kind of checked other parts of the house, and then we realized that a lot of the house was like that. So every single corner of the house, there is a, see how we have, this has, where is it? Oh my gosh, no insulation there, and then over here it does. We had to cut all that insulation out because it was just like a giant sponge. So all four corners of the house were like that. And then over here, this entire 20-foot stretch of ceiling was drenched. I mean, we're talking like, it was like a hose was just filling that insulation up, and it was. And of course, when we bought the house, there was no way to tell that unless you ripped out all of that plywood that was on that ceiling. And come look at this. After one night of rain, look at what's going on. It did not start raining until last night in the middle of the night. And then that has been dripping down. It just pooled. And it's running over here. And I just got a drip from my head right there. There's another drip. And of course, it's the dead of winter. It's not gonna stop raining. In fact, it's gonna start snowing here soon. We've already had snow flurries. And our ceiling is... And we're supposed to be leaving town to go do some things with family. I don't know what to do. So basically what we've decided after a day of messing with this and just racking my brain, even though a lot of steel structures like this are done in the way that they are as far as the ceiling goes, where it's, you have your steel frame and then you put the insulation down and then you sandwich that insulation with the ceiling, the metal roofing. What we're gonna do when we get a 2-day window is we're going to bust out removing the entire roof, getting basically the same exact flooring that we have here, putting down OSB up top, then putting down a ice and water shield, like a vapor barrier, and then putting back on the metal roof and replacing some of the roof that has had issues, like the fireplace, the wood stove hole over there. So it's about a $2,000 to $3,000 expense that we, again, did not budget for. But like any good DIY show, like I was saying, rip open the wall and you find the issues. So that's our issue. Our roof is leaking. It's a pretty big issue. And it's cold. I don't know if you can see my breath, but it's legit freezing at nights already. Oh my gosh, I just don't know what to do. And on top of this, you guys probably saw in the previous episode, we have a leak in our RV too, our RV slide in our master bedroom. So it's like, everything is compounding. Remain calm. Stay positive. Get out there. Life is an adventure. We're making memories. I keep telling myself that. I say it to you guys every vlog. And sometimes I just gotta remind myself. Stay positive. It's hard to do sometimes, but I'm gonna try. Okay, as I'm sitting here editing this vlog, I realized that what I was going to have be one big video today makes a lot more sense to split up into 2 videos, but the second half of this weekend's video is going to be a much happier, more positive and fun and uplifting video, because I didn't want to end it with like a bummer downer video. I wanted to take some of my own medicine and try and stay positive. So if you guys want to see the happier part of this weekend's vlog, click up there in the iCard where we do a super awesome scavenger hunt. Actually, technically Grammy and Pops do a super awesome scavenger hunt for Goose and Maverick with a awesome gift at the end. So we're jumping back to New Year's Eve. So about a month and a half ago. I know it's a while back, but it was just too cute to pass up. So
Don't figure for him.
alright, so I don't really know what she's saying, but I think what she's saying is you guys should go watch it, yeah? Anyways, stay positive, guys. Get out there. Life is an adventure, so make some memories. What do you see? Pull off the curtain.
Pull off the curtain. Right there. Goose, right here. What are
Pull that one off, Mav. Pull it off.